top marketing agencies in Edmonton, why Get Social YEG stands out. When it comes to marketing agencies in Edmonton, businesses need a unique blend of creativity, strategy, and a touch of humor to truly engage with their target audience. That's where Get Social YEG comes in. At Get Social YEG, we're committed to delivering exceptional results that not only meet but exceed your expectations. So let's dive into how we stand out from the rest of the marketing agencies in Edmonton and why you should choose us for all your marketing needs. We offer a full suite of comprehensive marketing services, whether you're looking for social media marketing, content creation, web design, or search engine optimization. Our team of experts has got you covered. We believe that every business is unique, and that's why we take the time to understand your business and craft a customized marketing strategy that aligns with your goals, target audience, and budget. Our talented copywriters, graphic designers, and video producers work together to craft compelling content that captures the essence of your brand. But we don't just rely on creativity alone. We back our content with data-driven strategies and insights to ensure maximum impact and engagement. We're not just another marketing agency. We're an extension of your team. We value open communication, transparency, and a genuine passion for helping your business succeed. Our friendly and approachable team is always available to answer your questions, address your concerns, and celebrate your wins with you. We're all about driving results and ensuring a return on your marketing investment. That's why we prioritize tracking and measuring the success of our campaigns. We closely monitor key performance indicators such as web traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates to ensure we're delivering the results you're looking for. So if you're ready to take your marketing efforts to the next level, it's time to get in touch with us. We can't wait to hear from you and start working together to make your brand shine. Get Social YEG, your partner in exceptional marketing. Contact us today to book a call, and let's create outstanding results together.